Hi, I'm Seth Bohling, owner of Joint Venture Design. We've been in the furniture business for 25 years in the Valley. Anything having to do with commercial furniture is our specialty, from moving to new installs to just helping you figure out how to use your space. When it comes to furniture, you know your people and you know your space. So when it comes to design, we listen to what you have to say, take that into account, and we can help you find the solution that helps your people the most. We're uniquely positioned in the market to not have to sell new furniture all the time. When you have existing furniture and it can work for what you want to do, we have the freedom to just reconfigure the furniture, put it up in a new way, and get all of the results that you want from the furniture you have. When you don't have enough furniture because you need to fit more people, oftentimes we can find compatible furniture or a new style to go along with it. Or if you really wanted to just upgrade, you could convert all the furniture to a new style, a new look, and just really do it up well for the team that's moving into the space. A lot of contractors out there are get in, get done, get out of there type contractors, and we love being a partner with the people we work with to make sure that your space is right for you before we leave the door. One of the things I'm most excited about in Joint Venture Design is our ability to help people make the most of their furniture they already have. Our inventory service is designed in such a way that you can have us pick up furniture you're not using, hold it off-site for you, give you a place to find it online, and you can just request it back from us as soon as it has its next use. That way you can make the most of each of your dollars. If you're looking to change something about your space, give us a call or check out our website.